One of the things to improve overall business website SEO is to include a glossary. In this video, I will show you how you can easily add or create this on your WordPress website. To start, let's install a plugin called CPTUI. Click on Add or Edit Post Types. The post type slug field is the default slug we set for this post type. In this example will be glossary. Say the plural and singular label. This could be different if you create a different post type. Let's scroll down and leave some of these fields on their default value. But for the Has Archive option, let's set this to true. So our archive page will be the glossary URL. Like the blog page, it contains glossary posts. We can also set a custom icon that will appear on the WordPress dashboard sidebar. For this one, let's use the book icon. To add features to this post type, let's check the excerpt and author features. We can also add existing taxonomies on the site. Now, let's add this post type. After this is activated, let's flush rewrite rules by going to Settings, then Permalinks, and just hit Save Changes. Once that's done, we can now create a new glossary post. As you notice with the glossary post URL, there is a glossary in the front of the post slug itself. Viewing the glossary page will show you a post feed of the posts you added in the glossary post type.